All right, guys, these ranch cheese and crackers are so addicting, yet so easy to make. Let's go ahead and make them together. They're oyster crackers baked in the oven. Use a ranch seasoning packet, some dill weed, and lemon pepper seasoning. I keep them in the pantry for any occasion, whether it's game day, a poolside snack, you just need something crunchy to snack on for cocktail time. This is it. We're gonna make it, you're gonna love it. Let's get to it.
Start by preheating your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, it's a pretty cool oven, but you're just gonna go ahead and give them a little bake. Wrap your roasting pan with aluminum foil. This makes cleanup so much easier. Keep a large serving spoon nearby. And then you're gonna need, for this recipe, 16 ounces of crackers, oyster crackers, 1 ranch packet, half tablespoon of dried dill, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon lemon powder, and 1/3 cup vegetable oil. So start with an entire box, about 16 ounces of the oyster crackers. Yes, you could substitute another cracker. I prefer oyster crackers. Dump all of your seasoning. This includes the ranch packet, the half tablespoon of dill, 1/4 teaspoon of lemon powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. So dump all of your dry ingredients in. Make sure you are using the dry version of these seasonings. You don't want to use fresh dill, and you also don't want to use a wet ranch dressing. So these are all of your dry seasoning. Mix it well. Give it a good mix. Get the oyster crackers covered. Stir well. Next, you're going to add 1/3 cup vegetable oil. This oil won't make the crackers greasy. Instead, it's going to absorb while baking. So go ahead and give it a good toss. This is going to help distribute some of that seasoning even more. Make sure the crackers are evenly coated. I love this snack, guys. Whether it's tailgating, game day, cocktail time, poolside snacks, even my kids love this one. It's a really good twist on just a classic ranch cracker. The extra dill and the lemon pepper add some extra zest. So go ahead and dump your seasoned crackers onto the aluminum foil baking sheet. Spread them out. If you see a spot that needs to be mixed well, mix it up a little bit more. Just make sure they're spread out evenly over the baking sheet. Bake the crackers at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. I like to use a middle oven rack. And then every 15 minutes, you're going to come back and stir the crackers to make sure that they're baking at an even rate. Once the crackers have cooled, they are ready to serve. I like to store them in an airtight food storage container in the pantry, and they're good for up to 6 months. Pull them out for any occasion. Subscribe for more easy recipes and like the video below.